Today we are opening up a booster box, 36 packs of the Lost Origin Sword and Shield era. Can't wait to open this up. This is going to be fun. If you're new to the channel, like, subscribe, turn the notifications on. Enough talk, let's get to the box. Alright, there we go. Opening up this pack. Let's see how it goes. We've been opening quite a few. We have done some off camera, some on camera. Just been taking some time to get them edited and ready to go. Alright, here we go. We're going to start out with our first code card. Ooh, not looking so good, but that's alright. We're going to start it up right now. You know, it's a little trick. Oh, I think he did something wrong there. Oh yeah, see? He's fixing it up. Okay, let's go. Turn him around. Alright, here we go. Got a toolbox. Shuppet. Shellos. Yeah, we're gonna get him used to it. Growlithe. Come on. Ducklet. Liking these cards so far. Rock Ruff. Gonna keep moving. Oh, here goes our reverse. And a Porygon Z non-hollow. That's okay. Let's move to the next. Alright, here we go. Komala. Oddish. Love Disc. Phalanx. Poliwag. Oh, Caflavo. Ooh, it's a Colress Experiment. All right, that's not too bad. All right, it's a nice pull right there. A little shiny up there. Let's move to the next pack. No time to waste, right? Oh, this is good. Got the black border around there. It's always a good sign. All right, started off with a Water Energy. Riley Trainer card. Nuzleaf. Wind Up Arm. Bronzer to get it adjusted. Phalanx. Poliwag. Oddish. Growlithe. Lampent. Is it a Chandler Hollow? Alright, here we go again. Gonna open up another pack. Here he's just gonna go straight to it. Wasn't very happy the last few, but that's okay. Alright, there we go. Bennett. No hollows, no secret arts. Alright, another pack going in. Let's go. Whenever you're ready. Don't take your time. Take your time. Gift Energy. Trying to help him out. Put it so we can see all the cards. Bronzer, Electrite, Ghastly, Oppo. It's a full art. Awesome. Shine to that gleam. All right, let's move to the next pack. We still got quite a bit to open up, so let's move on. Here we go. All right, my turn. Got our code card. All right, on to our next pack. Here we go. Let's start this again. Go ahead and do our magical 4-card pull around. I think I did 3 there, but that's okay. Magic Gate, Meditite, Shellos, Minfu, Ghastly. Ooh, we got a Gengar. All right, that's perfect. I like the way that shines. I think it's like a trainer gallery one. There's pretty cool. Let's move on. Next set. Next packaging. Always got to do the trick, right? Everyone knows the trick. Nothing new. Let's move on. Panic Mass. Rhydon. Rosadare. Or Litwick. Got Reinhorn. Used to be one of my favorites. Ducklet. And a non-hollow Parasect. Alright, let's move to the next. We're just going to skip right through. I don't know what's going on. 2, 3, and 4. There we go. Let's move it. Alright, Medicham. Misfortune Sisters, Porygon 2, NK, Phalanx, Poliwag, Oddish, and ooh, a nice Snorlax. I love it. Spinarak, Litwick, Rosalia, Rockruff, Seal, Zalia, and Kyrium V. Shuppet, Machop, Pikachu. Love that card. It's awesome. Pantump, Sudowoodo, I think same damage pump, and Hoopa. Alright, nice try. Let's move to the next pack. Alright, let's open another pack. Oh, that's a good sign. Got the black border on the code card. Draw 4 cards to the front, so we save the best one for last. Got the Leaf Energy. You can see some of these. Growlithe, Seedot, Slugma, the Lady, and Aruzu. Nice. It's an awesome secret card right there. Is that Rainbow? Good pull, good pull. Alright. Next one, next pack. Alright, got a Leaf Energy, Haunter, Poliwhirl, Binaco, Clefairy, Lickitung, Toolbox, to a Cressella Hollow. Got quite a bit of packs left. Let's get them going. Start with that V-Star card. Porygon 2. Spinarak, Paris, NK, Shuppet, and to a non-hollow. Terrible. There's our nice little stack at the top. There's a code card. Got the toolbox again. Arc Phone, Slugma, Clefairy. Oh, can it adjust? Yes, it will. There we go. Porygon, NK, reverse, to a non-hollow Poliwrath. Love that artwork. All right, move to the next pack. Let's hope this one's better than the last one. Hunter, Poliwhirl. Got Seedot camping in the leaves. Slugmug. What's that behind there? Oh, this is good. Oh, it's a Mew VMAX. Awesome. There we go. Pull something nice for once. Wow, this is a really cool card. I love it. Nice gold card, gold secret. Pretty awesome. All right, little preview we just pulled in the stack so far. Let's keep it going. All right, here we go. Got our energy card. See if we can get it something good here as well on a follow-up. Jinx, Inca. Oh, reverse into a Hollow Spectre. All right, we're going to speed this up a little bit on the next few packs, see if we get anything. A few busts these last few packs that we open. Let's see if we get anything here. Swanna, Gloom, Shuppet. Let's try the next one. Dynamo, Seedot, you little friendly dude. Horsey, Radiant. Oh, nice. Wow, look at that one gleam. Behind it, a Delphox V. That's pretty cool. Not a bad pull. Take that. Alright, we got sisters and moms pulling these out right now, so we're gonna see how they fare. That was a good pull there. Oh, something's happening. Box of Disaster. Yeah, it's not a good sign. Muckrow. Clefairy, always a likable character. Horsey. The GIF Energy, followed by a non-hollow banana. Alright, next stack. Cascoon. Ampium. Sorry for the shaky cam. Seal. Karua. Snover. Machop. Reverse into a Goodra V-Star. Wow, that's a pretty cool card. Okay, nice pull, sis. All right, I think this is the last pack we got here. We're going to see if we get anything lucky. Arc Phone, Binaco, Goomy, Bronzer, Snover, Jinx. Not today. Into a Gallery Lady. Pretty cool. I like it. It's